Okay, there's the red boy. Hi, handsome. They're just going to chase my feet, aren't you? There's Pink Girl. Green, purple, blue, bright green, red, boy, orange girl. You guys just want to hang to my feet, don't you? Anyways, it's time to start picking. We'll do the video and some pictures. Red boy, bright green girl. Hey, buddy. Blue boy, teal boy, purple. She's having fun. That's Myra. There's orange girl. Hi, buddy. There's a red boy. You get. There's yellow girl. We're gonna make everybody dizzy. Sorry. Seems like I keep getting the same puppies. Yeah, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. There's green girl. There's orange girl. There's purple. There's yellow girl. Are you pretty? There's pink. Puppy, puppy. Come here, Pinky. There's our pink girl. There's purple. She's an outgoing little stinker. There's pink. Girls. Are you pretty? There's red boy. Green girl. Yellow is chasing Phyllis. Blue boy. Teal boy's getting in the hang of it now. Cold, you keep moving, guys. Yellow. Blue boy. Orange girl. Puppy puppies. There's pink. There's orange. Or no, that's red boy. This is our M litter. There's bright green girl. He'd sit still long enough. There's green girl. Puppies. There's blue boy. Oh, all right. Say bye, guys. Puppies. Puppies.